How would I describe NuCalm in one word? Man, it was a game changer for me.
Relaxation. Better than a spa.
For me, it's magic.
Integral, it's really amazing. Amazing.
This clarity that it gives you. You do a NuCalm session and you get clear. That's something that's really amazing.
I am very cognizant about setting aside time in the early afternoon for my NuCalm break. If I had an event that was going to run late, I used to drink coffee or have a shot of espresso, whatever it was, which got me through the event, but then I couldn't sleep. And now with NuCalm, I can know that I'm going to have energy and be able to stay engaged and then be able to go to sleep.
But it's really allowed me to get really deep quality sleep. And when I wake up, I'm rejuvenated. I take 20 minutes out of my day and I throw it on and I wake up and I feel like I get a burst of energy and I feel like I've slept for 3 hours. It's just amazing.
Anybody not doing NuCalm, in my opinion, they're missing out.
I gave my mum a 20-minute session and she sent me this text just going, I had the best night's sleep I've had in years. I don't know what your device does, but whatever it does, it's amazing. And I just went, yes. You're more alert and you feel rested, even if you haven't been rested.
So I see this as an incredible tool to be able to actually just drop in and shut off and go, like, I've got 20 minutes, this is gonna be perfect, drop in and completely shut off, and then be able to be up there and be straight in at your peak performance, we're the most sleep deprived we've ever been as a society, right? Having something like NuCalm to be able to make that transition and be able to drop in and then, go to sleep and wake up just feeling like on top of the world.
Yeah.
When I come back out, it's not like waking up like when you're sleeping. Normally, it's waking up refreshed instantly. And the more I do it, the more energized I feel straight after coming out. I used to pretend that I'm calm, and now I am calm, and I can see the difference.
It's made me a better mom, a better spouse, and a better friend, and healthier.
For me, the knowledge that I have a device with me that will re-energize me, take me to a new place, a new point where I'm going to be able to engage for a longer period of time, makes the day a lot better.